Come. This guy explored nothing.
He said there was only one room. This is more than one room.
This is more than one room. Yeah, this is really nice. It's cool. It's cool. It's a good break from the side.
So we're not in the actual pyramid, right? This is underneath the pyramid.
This is underneath the pyramid here. Well, to be fair, this isn't the actual pyramid. They carved out these places.
I doubt that this is it.
They put that wall there to stop us. Most probably.
Check the separate chamber quickly again. Check it again. Both of you. Oh, make sure you hide your camera, by the way. Don't come out with it. He's coming out with it, okay. You want me to stand in front of it?